Hey, what's going on, everybody? California Flipper here, bringing you guys another video. Thank you so much for clicking today. So I'm going to be sharing my pickups with you guys, as you see in the title. And this is the easiest way that I can explain to people how to make money. If you come to me and say, hey, how do I make an extra couple $100 or extra $1,000? This is the stuff that I sell to earn a full-time income, and how I'm able to earn $10,000 plus each month for the past couple months. And these skills and these secrets are usually people pay for this information, and I give all this stuff out for free here on my YouTube channel. I feel like it's my obligation to give back, and I have this knowledge and I want to give it to everybody, whoever's watching this video. And I appreciate everybody watching this. All I ask is for you to like the video and subscribe if you're new, if you're into reselling and want to learn all about it. So please hit that subscribe button if you're new, and let's get right into the pickups, and I'll share some of the negotiation on the screen and how much I paid for everything. You guys know the routine, so let's get right to it. Alright guys, so the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is a PS2 bundle. So this lady had it up and I offered her 50 bucks for everything. It came with 31 PlayStation 2 games, the console, the cords, and 3 original controllers. And she was just trying to get rid of it. So I picked it up. I drove like an hour away as well. So 20 bucks in gas, and then 50 bucks for the console. So just say I'm in it 70 bucks for all this stuff. I feel like it's 100% worth it. And let me know if you guys think so as well down in the comments, if you guys would have did this deal. So let's get right to it. So 31 PlayStation games. Let's get right to it with the games first. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Pac-Man World 2. Another Harry Potter game. SpongeBob SquarePants Battle for Bikini Bottom. Really good game to look out for. 15-20 bucks all day. For PS2, GameCube, original Xbox. Always pick it up. Always a good game to pick up. The Powerpuff Girls. Need for Speed Underground 2. I love picking this game up as well. This is easily a $12 to $15 game right here. I always get it. I always sell it very quickly as well. So keep an eye out for that game when you're out sourcing on Facebook, OfferUp. If you see this in a bundle, at least you know you get at least 12-15 out of that bundle already just with that game. Got Star Wars Battlefront 2, MLB The Show, got Harry Potter Collection. Now, these games individually aren't worth anything. The only reason why this is worth 35 to 40 bucks is because it is in the complete box set. So collectors, love stuff like this. They'll, they collect it. Maybe they're missing this set from PlayStation 2 and they go on eBay and they buy it. Can't get it nowhere else, right? Unless, of course, you find it out. But they'll go on eBay. They'll pay 35, 40 bucks for this all day long, and this will sell. So just this will pretty much pay more than half of what I paid for everything. So really good pickup there in the bundle. A lot more games here, guys. Series of Unfortunate Events. I'm gonna try and blast through these so the video is not too long. We got Rocket Power, really awesome cartoon. Used to love watching that as a kid. Tony Hawk's Proving Ground. Tiger Woods PGA Tour 10. This is actually a $12 to $14 game I saw. I was kind of surprised. So pretty cool there. Star Wars. iToy Groove. Sean Palmer's Pro Snowboarding. Carmen Sandiego. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 4. I always get around 12 to 15 for this game. Winter X Games. Shrek the Third. MLB 2006. Jack 3. CSI. Operation Spy. Kingdom Hearts 1 and 2. I'll probably bundle those together and get like 15 bucks for both. Soul Calibur 3. Star Wars 2, the original trilogy. Looney Tunes Back in Action. Simpsons Road Rage. It's a good solid 12, 13 bucks. If you could find Simpsons Hit and Run for GameCube, PS2, or original Xbox, definitely pick it up. That's an easy $20 to $30 game right there. GameCube's going upwards like 40 to 60, so pretty crazy. So keep an eye out for Simpsons Road Rage is decent. If you get it cheap enough, and also Simpsons Hit and Run. Jimmy Neutron Boy Genius. So that's the last PS2 game, and then also 3 original PS2 controllers, and all this stuff works. I just tested it out today. And then we got the fat PlayStation in good condition. So really good deal there, guys. What do you guys think? Paid 50 bucks for all that stuff. So let's get right into the next deal here. This one was a good one here. Got a Nintendo Switch with games. So we got this awesome Mario case here for the Switch. I'll sell that off separately, but we got the Switch here with the gray Joy-Cons. It has a screen protector on it. It is cracked, which is no big deal. Take that off and it will look just like new, and that's what I'll do. And I paid $300 for all this. So I got the Switch, the Mario case, we got the controller here, and then also 4 Nintendo Switch games. So I paid $300 for all this stuff. With the Nintendo Switch, I'll get around $350, $360. After fees and shipping, I should be profitable around $10 to $25, somewhere around there. That's kind of just going off the top of my head. So I should be profitable, just say 15 bucks profitable after everything. So my money back plus 15 bucks. Then we got Hello Neighbor. That's a solid $15, $18 game. And then we got Super Smash Bros. That's a good $45, $50 game. Then Mario Kart Deluxe, that's a good $45, $48 game. And then Sonic Force, good $15, $18 game as well. So I like to buy these bundles. When I buy the Switch, I like to make my money back on the Switch and then profit on the games. These are first class, they're light, they're easy to ship, they're easy to list, and they're easy to store. So when I buy these bundles, I like to make the money back, like the PS2. I make all my money back just on the PS2. All the games are profit, and then the controllers as well. I get for 2 of them, because obviously one has to go with the console. I got 2 more, 20 bucks a piece. Profit 10 bucks a piece on those. That's how I do these deals, guys. I like to break them down like that. You might just have to profit just on the console, and then the games, the controllers, extra stuff. That's where your profit comes in. So that's what I do. So all my profit will be in the games, and also we got the controller here, which is another 15 bucks or so. I might throw that with the console, I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, guys. And then the case, we also have the case, which is another, 10 bucks. I'll probably bundle that up with the console. Alright guys, another bolo for you guys out there. This is a Super Nintendo Classic, and this is a NES Classic. Always make sure they say Nintendo on them. Just like that one says Super Nintendo. Also, it will be on the back or the bottom of it right there. And also on this one, it'll say Nintendo right there and on the back or the bottom of it. And there's lots of knockoffs of these. That's why I'm telling you guys this. So I paid 60 bucks for both of these. The guy had them both together, and it has the controllers and then also some knockoff wireless controllers for the NES. Another one here, and it has the like little adapter pieces, little dongles or whatever. So I paid 60 bucks for all that. And just for this one right here, I'll get around that 75 to 85 range. Has all the cords, all that stuff. And then for this one, I'll get around 100 to 110. So really good deal there. And that's pretty much it, guys. A couple flea market pickups from yesterday on Thursday was this Logitech PS2 controller, no receiver, but paid $2 for it. And just for this, I'll get around 15, 20 bucks, probably 15 bucks for that. And then burn out for $2. Not really worth much, like $10 to $11. But yeah, guys, that's everything I got. So this is how I'm able to earn a full-time income, picking up stuff that's undervalued, selling it on eBay. And I really appreciate everybody that's watching, and I try to just put as much knowledge and value into each video. So if you guys enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe if you're new for more content like this. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Much love. Hope you guys are all staying safe, your family and friends as well. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.